Benin, Janela Salvador Sur Ramirez, Kyle Estrada, Charlie Dizon, J.F. Guzman, Jake Cuenca, Reyes Matias, and of course, Jameson Blake.
Yes, of course. Ayan, bati lang tayo.
Yes, okay.
Hello po, magandang po sa inyo lahat. Salamat po kami here. Thank you everyone. You guys are excited as we are, and I hope you guys help us spread the word.
Hi guys, good evening. Sana na-enjoy nyo ang aming proyekto. Sana na-enjoy nyo. Salamat po.
Good evening po. Ayun, please help us spread the word. October 17 po sa Netflix, Baptized Belief. October 18 sa I1, sa Free TV po, October 20. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pupunta ng gabi. Thank you. Soon.
Good evening, everyone. I hope you enjoy our series, What Lies Beneath. At ipakalat natin ang magandang balita na we're showing. Malapit na malapit. Thank you.
Janela.
Yes, hello, good evening. Thank you so much for being here with us tonight. We really appreciate your presence. And tulad nga ng sabi nila, we're showing on October 17, What Lies Beneath. Malapit na malapit yan. So sana abangan nyo. Thank you.
Thank you, Janela. Kaya.
Yes, good evening everybody. Thank you guys so much for being here. We're all so excited to also watch the first 3 episodes with you guys. Kasi kaming apat di pa namin napapanood. So we really wanted to save this day for that. So I really hope that you guys enjoy what you watch tonight. And stay tuned for the rest of the series starting October 17 on Netflix, 18 on I1, and October 20 on TV. Thank you guys.
Charlie.
Yes, nasabi na po nila lahat. Good evening everyone. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na pumunta tonight. And yun, huwag niyo kakalimutan, October 17 po Netflix, October 18 sa I1 po, and October 20 sa A to Z, TV5, Kapamilya Online Live, and Kapamilya Channel. So yun, magkita-kita po tayo mamaya. Sana po ay ma-enjoy na yung first 3 episodes namin.
Yes, thank you. Once again, photo op muna tayo sa lahat ng cast dito sa
Kasama po
stage.
yung photo op muna. Of course, ng cast natin ng What Lies Beneath.
Ayan. Thank you. Ayan. Sa kamakwes po natin, pwede na po tayo, girls. May na po tayo sa stage. Dito na po yung boys sa side para po sa pagpasok sa loob ng cinema. Girls, ayan, photo op po muna tayo ulit. Photo op, please. Thank you.